Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Seamus, Senior Options Analyst at Nasdaq, and Rosenzweig, Director at Diversified LLC, for an update on index options product at Nasdaq. It's great to see you both. Welcome to Trade Talks. And Seamus, I'll start with you. Let's get right to it. Tell us a little bit about what's new in the index options product space at Nasdaq.
Definitely. Thanks for having us on, Jill. So we're excited to announce that we're coming out with XND, which is the Nasdaq 100 micro index options, ticker symbol XND. And really, this product was designed for all customers. So we built it out for retail advisors, institutional in mind. And we feel like we couldn't have picked a better time to come out with this just based on industry trends and sort of the growth of bite-sized products. So for us, the goal was, how can we find a way for all investors to be able to access the Nasdaq 100, specifically with index options? And the products that we have are of a larger notional size. So for us, we want to create that bite size, and it's 1/100th. So this is going to be the exact same product as NDX, our benchmark index option, just at that 1/100th divisor. So you still get the benefits of index options being cash settlement, European style expiration, and the 60/40 tax treatment, but just at a more accessible range for our different audiences. So what we want to talk about specifically today is how advisors can best utilize this product in their portfolios. And we thought it'd be great to bring Irv on because he's been a part of the product creation timeline for the last year and a half, and just helping us build the voice of the customer. So we've had some great conversations with him and excited to hear what he has to say.
All right, Seamus, thank you. And Irv, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks. Can you tell us a little bit about your business and how you utilize options for your clients?
Sure, Jill, and great to see you as well. We're much bigger than we were when I last saw you. We recently merged. We're now at about $1 billion assets under management. Planning is a major focus of what we do, and trying to be innovative through financial planning and estate issues and things of that nature. But again, product plays a major role into this. Options for us, you know, there's a number of things that we use them for. Income enhancement would be number one. You know, just something that is not going to be based on a high yield instrument, but still produces a decent yield versus what you're finding now in fixed income issues. That's probably the number one role. We also use it as a way to repair maybe a trade that was done through poor timing or whatever. So we can use it to repair possibly losses in the Nasdaq and things like that. And then finally, what I'm a big proponent of, and how we describe it to the client, is this is a way for the client to leverage risk rather than risk leveraging the client. So to use the volatility to their advantage would be the number one reason.
And Seamus, tell us what the process is like for a product with the Nasdaq Options Group.
Yeah, so we have known for a while that we wanted to introduce this product to round out our index options suite, but really for the last year and a half was when we started canvassing the marketplace. So whether that was live and virtual events, different retail surveys that we sent out, or direct conversations with institutional investors, we wanted to sort of take in all these conversations and utilize them to build the characteristics behind it. So really, if you look across the derivatives industry, the appetite for bite-sized products and these micro products has grown over the last couple of years. And right now we feel like we need to compete with that and allow investors to access the names that make up the Nasdaq 100. And the reason that it's such an innovative and successful index is because of those names. So for us, it's just about how can we best help our customers, whether they're looking for asset allocation or just looking to incorporate some of these names, how can we give them different access points? And that included conversations, like I said, with Irv and with advisors specifically.
And Irv, why are you excited about the XND product specifically?
So I think the mini index version of having access, number one, you can invest like an institutional manager without having to have institutional monies. I think that's big, and it resonates with clients that they can do things that that only just a microcosm of the market can do. I like the fact that they have tax treatment here, through the 60/40 treatment. There's only a couple things you can control. Everybody talks alpha, and they want to bring alpha to the table. They want to bring performance and numbers to the table. To me, you control what you can. You can control expenses, and you can control taxes. And that's what this product also allows us to do, is to have something that is just a pure snapshot, 1/100th of the Nasdaq. So you've got the ability to control expenses through this product, and then having the ability to have tax alpha through the tax treatment.
And Seamus, lastly, when will this product be available to traders?
Definitely. So we are rolling out XND this Thursday. So we're going to go out with 6 monthly expirations, and then the following month, May 20th, which is right before that first expiration, is when we're going to start bringing out the Friday weeklies. So the goal is to just have an array of different access points, whether it be expirations or sizes. So that's our plan right now.
All right, Seamus Irv, thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.